Hi, in this video I will show you how to use file names to Excel app. So this is app if I want to, I have like folder with a lot of files in it, and now I want to create Excel file with a list of all files in this into like one column, and I want to add some additional information or something like this, so I can use this app. This is my website. I will link the site into description. To find app, I can type in search file names, and here it is, file names to Excel. Just click on the page, double click on download to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive. Click on MSI inside archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info. You can see I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown, just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes here and click on finish. And you can see there is a new shortcut on my desktop. I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch the app. Now, on first step, I have to select folder I want to read files from. And for example, if this is my documents, I can select all files from my documents and put like them into one column, into Excel document, so I can use it further. So I can just click my documents, click OK here, click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet. If you think of any conversion options, please let me know. You can email me or just go on the website and leave a comment or leave a comment under this video. So no options here yet. I'll click on next step and then click on run. It will ask for name of the Excel file with all names. So just go to alt file names to Excel, and I can change name if I want to, but I'll just save it as it is. And now I can go and see this file. Now I can open with, I have Excel mobile, I have Excel, so it will show me all, because it's Excel mobile I cannot resize it, but you can see all these files from my document folder with size and date creation. I think it's even day modified date. Last created, they created and last modified date here. Yeah, so because it's Excel mobile, I cannot resize it to make it normal look like more, to look it better. So, but I have Excel. If you have real Excel, you can open and change it if you want. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.